Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good and well. If you're new here, my name is Nikki and today we're going to be unboxing Zombie Claw's Halloween Advent Calendar for 2023. Now, it was basically between purchasing 3 Halloween calendars for me, and that was the Polish Nooks, Bluebird Lacquers, as in Bluebird Lacquer, and Zombie Claw. I've been really wanting to try Zombie Claw polishes for a very long time. I always see a lot of the makers' offerings in PPU and Hella Handmade Creations, and they're always intriguing, but I've never actually bitten the bullet, and I'm usually more into her darker collections or releases, I should say. So I thought the Halloween one would be perfect. Now, this is based all off American Horror Story. I hadn't seen the show at the time of purchasing this, and I've watched it up till season 4, and I have to tell you, I am a fan of horror. I like horror movies. It's my favorite genre. But the show is actually quite freaky. And I don't know if I'm going to keep watching it, but we'll see. But I am up to season 4. If you guys watch the show, let me know in the comments what you think about it. But I'm not sure if I'm going to continue watching because it is a bit scary. So we will see if I'm going to continue watching. But I did love season 1. I thought season 1 was really good. Yeah, and same with season 3. But yeah, anyway, this box includes about 11 to 13 items, and not all of them are nail polish. I believe some of them are like maybe cuticle, like nail stuff, cuticle oils, soaps, things like that. So let's just get into this unboxing because it starts today as I'm uploading this. And that's just a little thank you from the maker, Sabrina. And yeah, a little card that I'm probably going to keep too because, you know, why not? The box is smelling really, really fresh and clean, which leads me to believe there's a lot of scents in here, which I like because I'm a big fan of scents. So we're going to get started on day 1. So day 1 is based off the first season, Murder House, which is the season that I liked. And we're starting off strong. It's just called Murder House, the polish. And this is kind of like in a crimson red, kind of brownish base with a lot of those silver flakes in there. This is very pretty. It's kind of reminding me of a metallic a little bit. I do think this is nice and festive for Halloween. Same with Christmas, but this one's giving me more of a Christmas vibe, which I like because, you know, Christmas is coming up, so you guys could see this again. But it's definitely Halloween themed, considering the name. And this whole thing that the box was after. So day 2, it looks like this is a soap bar of some kind. Oh, it's a bath bomb in shape of a coffin. Cute. It's called All Witches Burn. Oh, okay. A Misty Day inspired bath bomb. Let's see the ingredients there. Very nice. This is looking, I don't usually use bath bombs, so I actually might give this away, but I do like taking baths, so maybe I should rethink that. But I do like how this is decorated with some glitters and the tying of the coffin. Very cute. Day 3 is another polish. This one is called Cult. I believe this was based off season 3 because it was about a witch cult. This is in a champagne gold with the base with those same microflex that were in the first polish. This one does not really scream Halloween to me either. It's giving me more of the, I want to say, Christmas vibes. Was this a Christmas calendar? No, I'm just kidding. But hey, I am trying to go for more finishes that I don't usually go towards, so I think this is in that realm. So we'll see how this one swatches. Next we have day 4, and it's another polish as well. This one is called Asylum, and it's a white crelly with some black flakes and a bit of scattered micro holographic flake. Very cute. Yep, these are the type of crellies that I love, and this is definitely giving me like cookies and cream vibes with a dash of something extra. Yeah, it's definitely giving me those Hershey's candy bar vibes. Absolutely. I love the holographic glitters in there. Very pretty. Day 5 is also another polish. This one is called 1984. I don't know what the reference is because I have not finished the series yet, but this is a really fun jelly polish with a midnight sky blue base, I want to say. Maybe it's a bit lighter than that. Maybe almost midnight sky blue base with a mix of some square glitters that range from different sizes and different colors, from green to pink. This looks really, really fun. Kind of like a creepy fun house kind of thing. I'm hoping this one will give a really nice pond effect on the nails. It definitely looks like a jelly sandwich in a bottle. So that was $19.84 for day 5. Day 6 is some type of scrub. It just says American Horror Story Mystery Scent Day 6, and it smells kind of like flowers. I think it's some sort of scrub, so that would be nice to use on my hands during my manicures. I like the smell of it. Day 7 here is another polish as well, and this one I'm already loving. It's called Apocalypse, and it's a dazzling light green flaky, and those flakies are even showing up on camera. Can you guys see the pink in there with the gold and the blue? Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. Yeah, Apocalypse, maybe that's season 7, I don't know. This polish is giving me the same type of finish that I wanted from the brand Nailed It that came out in, I think, their Candied collection this year, but whew, this one's even better with those pink flakies. Really pretty. Day 8 coming in with another polish. This one is a green, and it's called Freak Show. I think this is for, I want to say season 4, because it's a circus theme, but like I said, I haven't seen all the seasons yet, so who knows. But this is kind of like a, I want to say a Slytherin green base, but it has hints of blue undertones, and it's giving me definitely metallic vibes. I'm not sure if there's like silver microflake in there. It kind of sort of looks like it, but we'll see. I'll show you guys all swatches these at the end, of course. But that one was day 8 Freak Show. Day 9 is another polish. This one is called Double Feature, and oh, I am in love with this. It's in a kind of eggplant purple base with a bit of green to blue shimmer and a lot of micro holographic and silver flake in there. This is gorgeous, and it's definitely giving me Halloween vibes. Oh, I wonder what season this one is. I'm gonna have to look it up. But yeah, that's called Double Feature. Here we have day number 10, and this is a little card pouch. Let's see what it says in here. Made by J&S. Oh, so this is like the little goodies that came from the other brands. Let's see what else is in here, if there is. Nothing. But the front of it is themed American Horror Story, obviously. The Asylum theme. So very cute. I don't know if I'd use this, but yeah, that's day number 10. 11 is coming in with another polish. I love that this next one is a pink because it's nice representation for breast cancer awareness month for the month of October. So this is called Delicate, and I think this would really look good. Has a nice topper. It is going to be sheer. You can so tell in the bottle, but I might just build it up. Has a full topper, has a full polish as well, just see what it looks like. But this looks like such a fun topper. It is in a sheer pink base with a lot of pink and kind of green and orange shimmer. Very pretty. So I'm assuming this is day 11 because there's no number on it, and the next polishes in the box are labeled 12 and 13, so this is number 11. And it's just a whole bunch of candy from the maker. So hey, my first trick-or-treat bag, how about that? Comes with a little skull bracelet, and I think this is a wax melt. How cute is that? And some skull-shaped wax melts as well, and the rest is basically candy. Moving on to day number 12, we have NYC, which is in a dusty kind of periwinkle base with a bit light dusting of some pink and silver shimmer. This one's cute, but it's not really screaming Halloween to me, but it is a purple, and it seems like it's also in a frosty finish, which I'm not the biggest fan of. I barely have any. Actually, I'll be real, I don't have any frost finishes in my collection. If I did, I definitely gave them away. So that's day number 12. And the very last day, also this arrived to me on Friday the 13th, so how perfect is that? And for the very last day, we have, I want to say, Countess, and this is in a very, very dark murky brown base. I'd always say it's a black to red duochrome, but it's a brownish to red duochrome. Oh, this is quite nice actually. I'm liking it. Okay guys, so here is the entire box minus the candy and all that stuff. And these are the finishes. These are my Halloween finishes at the end, so just ignore them. But yeah, these are the finishes. I think the red has to be one of my favorites, along with this beautiful green. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. And then this one here in that eggplant base with that shimmer, very Halloween. But for the rest, I don't know if I'm gonna keep them or not. I wouldn't say this is the most cohesive Halloween collection, but I do love the brand Zombie Claw in general, sorry, can't speak. I don't know if I'd purchase this advent calendar again, but I'm happy that I did this year, just see what it's all about. This is definitely my idea of doing mysteries because, you know, it's theme. I love Halloween, so yeah, I just thought there'd be more, just a bit more fun finishes. Like, maybe that one glows in the dark. Maybe some of them do. I'll have to, you know, test them out. But definitely this red one has to be one of my favorites, along with the green and the purple there. And this one would really look fun as a topper, but I was looking for more polishes, I guess. This cookies and cream one, I feel like glows in the dark or something. You know, Zombie Claw makes a lot of glow in the dark polishes, so I have to see about that one and update you guys. But yeah, that was it for this unboxing, you guys. Let me know if you enjoyed this one, and if you picked up the same calendar, what are your thoughts? I'll see you in my next one. Take care.